Halo, pozdrav, kako ste? Sam dobar, hvala. Danas ćemo da pričamo šta ja ne volim kada se radi, kada je lane tehničar, taj posao lane tehničar sa poslom, šta ne volim da se radi kada radimo, a kada neko radi saobraćna, kada sa kolama radi, kada se sa vožnjom radi, ne, ovo nije sa vožnjom, nego sa kolama, kada kola idu i just druge stvari, puno stvari, vrste stvari, što hoćete pričam o tome. I pričam, vidim haljine, prvo pogledam haljinu, kako je divno, lijepa mi je haljina, look at my dressing dress, how nice it is. Really nice. I love my dress. Ne sviđa mi se moja haljina. Ali, yeah, today we're actually gonna be, look at my dress, isn't that pretty? Vidim haljinu. Zar mi nije fina i lijepa? Izgleda ovdje baš lijepa. Baš jeste, baš je divno. I divno mi jako izgleda. Look at my dress. Look how nice it is. Anyways. Ok, sad ćemo da pričamo i kada neki ljudi ti prave probleme, kad se radi sa kolama, jako može da bude opasno. Ima puno stvari, vrste stvari što može da se desi, što može da se dešava. I baš stvarno jeste, neke stvari su jako opasne. I neki ljudi tu stvari ne razumiju. Neki razumiju, a neki ne razumiju. So today, actually, you guys, we're going to be talking about traffic control, and from one traffic control to another person, traffic control / lane technician workers. These are all nešto ne volim sa drugim ljudima, druge osobe kad rade u istoj kompaniji i šta urade obično. I šta se, vidim da sam je loša, sorry, my hair is really bad, it's a mess. So this is what I don't like. Od jedne osobe što radi u istoj kompaniji kao ti, i počnu probleme, svađu, takve stvari. I neka se radi sa kolama, uvijek vrištu kao ne, stani, nestani, jer možda morate kao sa rukama da ima se što držite kada stane ili ide, kada ide ili stane. Sporo ili stane, sporo ili stane, kada sa kolama radite, kada stojite u sredini ulice i takve stvari. I kada radite sa autama, sa kolama, baš jeste, to je jako opasan posao, jako je opasan posao, stvarno jeste, da budem iskren sa vama, stvarno jeste. I što oni rade, kad treba da se kreću, i ovo najviše mrzim, ovo ne mogu da podnesem, ovakve stvari. Kad se ide, kada kažu, prvo sa njima pričate, prvo razgovarate sa jednim drugom. Kao kažu, jel možemo da pošaljemo? Da pošaljemo na moju raju, moje auto, na moju stranu. Oni radi na jednu drugu stranu, na njihovu, a ja radim na svoju, na obrnutu stranu. I što oni sa mnom, kad mi kažu, možete, ja pitam prvo sa njima, imamo walkie-talkie, da pričamo kad imamo govor sa jednim drugim. Nekada je grupa, nekada je samo dvojica ljudi, nekada je zavisi šta. I ona kažu da... Ja, John! First get it. Just 1 minute. Hold on 1 minute, please. So anyways, you guys, how I was saying is certain things that about the traffic control person that they do is when there's no proper communication. Not every one of them is the best. Some are really shitty. You know, I must say some are really, really fucking stupid. You know, it's from the experience, from what I've seen myself 5 years later. I'm just really starting to lose every fucking nerve and patience in this fucking industry, in the traffic control motherfucking industry. Excuse my French. I just, you know, forgive me for swearing. I apologize for swearing. It sounds really trashy. It's trashy to swear, and I try not to swear and have like a dark, a super negative soul inside me. Any darkness, any crap like that. I don't like to be a negative person because I'm far from a negative person. Anyways, this is what I don't like. The one that communication is shit. It's very, very, very stupid, disgusting shit. It's a shit of the fucking shit. That you have a cow, people hire these fucking cows that they're just no motivation. Somebody just, yes, I understand. We all got bills to pay. We got stuff to pay. We gotta, work. Everybody has a job, right? It's not the job that traffic control that shit. It's the workers who were hired who get the particular, job position or any positions, and I have a problem with that. Myself, I never used to be. I really, really inside, my temper, my anger comes out. At certain people, when I am at work, and I just try my really best, that some garbage fucking cow. Pooh! Fucking, sorry guys, every time I think about it, forgive me. You know what? Forgive me. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not angry. I apologize. I hate acting this way. I do not like to act this way, but I'm gonna tell you, traffic control bitches of the fucking motherfucking bitches, they're garbage. They have nothing going on for them fucking self. Some of those fucking retarded, dumb bitches. Anyways, really, excuse me. I apologize for my swearing and the way I'm acting. I'm sounding crazy the way I'm acting now. I'm not crazy. I'm far from crazy, but these words, how I'm speaking to you, are making me look crazy. But you know what? I'm to my breaking point. I want to just rip a fucking cow's face apart. When I see a bitch like that, because I get picked on, and they come and pick on me, but because I'm respectful, I do my job, I do what I'm supposed to. You take a fucking little hooker cow, excuse my French, and the disrespects. Listen, one thing I have a problem with, when we always have to have proper communication, from one bitch to the other bitch, right? One bitch to the other bitch, one motherfucker to the other motherfucker, a motherfucker or a bitch, or a retarded man or a fucking cow. That's a fucking retarded bitch of the fucking cow, if that makes any sense. Anyways, that just sounded so ridiculously dumb and stupid, but that's what it is. Well, listen, when you start working in this industry, you will understand. When I say cows, you'll understand what I mean by a fucking cow. Honestly, I've never in my life, any jobs I had, I never swore this much. This industry, 5 years ago, as soon as I got into it, it's every bitch that, excuse me guys, I really apologize for I'm ranting. I really had enough. So when I say communication, now this is what I mean, okay? Even the police, nobody knows some of the bullshit that some of this stuff that goes on in the company, but whatever, that's not my concern. I don't own a company. I do not own a construction or traffic control company, and thank you, Lord. Maybe one day I will, but for now, I'm okay. But then you gotta deal with cows and retarded men like that. Retarded men, stupid bimbo men, or a stupid bimbo woman. Not a bimbo woman. It's more of a cow, a retarded motherfucking cow that you want to just rip her fucking face apart because she's so fucking retarded. My God, I can't believe I just said that. Oh my God, really made me sound crazy. Which honestly, I'm not crazy. I'm far from